Hi everyone, Rocky here, and for today's video is another tutorial on how to check yung SSS contributions ninyo. Yung dati ko kasing in-upload na tutorial, magkaiba na kasi ngayon yung itsura ng website before and now. So si SSS nagkaroon ng upgrade dun sa website nila. So I am making this tutorial para maging mas clear on how to check yung SSS contributions ninyo. Ako, even before, nung nagtatrabaho pa ako in a traditional way, lagi akong nag-check ng SSS contributions just to make sure that yung employer ko is talagang binabayaran niya yung SSS ko. Kasi 'di ba monthly naman tayo as an employee, 'di ba? Monthly tayo din deduction. And there are instances talaga na hindi nakakabayad on time or hindi talaga nababayaran at all ng company yung SSS contribution. So kapag kailangan mo na siyang gamitin, hindi mo siya magamit kasi wala nga talaga siyang hulog. Also, I check yung SSS contributions ko to see if qualified na ba akong mag-loan sa SSS. And for those people na curious kung qualified ka na ba o hindi, ang requirements ni SSS is dapat meron kang total contributions na 36. Total contributions, ibig sabihin kahit bungi-bungi pa yan, basta yung total contributions mo is 36. And then, from the time na mag-a-apply ka, dapat meron kang 6 months continuous contributions. So, magbabacktrack ka. Kunyari, January 2025 ka mag-a-apply. Then, dapat meron kang January, tapos pabalik, December, November, 6 months. Dapat continuous yon for you to qualify na mag-apply ng SSS loan. So, let me show you how to check your SSS contributions. First off, para makita nyo yung mga SSS contributions nyo or malaman nyo kung updated ba yung employer nyo sa pagbabayad ng SSS contributions niyo is you need an SSS online account. Kapag wala pa kayo, mag-create kayo ng online account niyo. Kasi kapag wala, kailangan nyo talagang pumunta dun sa SSS branch. Which is medyo hassle para sa inyo kasi magta-travel pa kayo, pipila pa kayo, alam nyo yun. Unlike if meron na kayong SSS online account, then you can check the information immediately, anytime. Very, very convenient. Kailangan nyo lang mag-register ng account. Now, if meron na kayong account, there are two ways kung paano nyo makikita yung SSS contributions nyo. Pag login nyo pa lang kasi, makikita nyo na to, ganito, view contributions. Meron pa dito yung pay contributions. Kung ako kasi voluntary ako, so nakikita ko yung amount due at kung kailan siya mag-due date. Pero since ang tutorial na to is to check yung SSS contributions ko, then all I need to do is to click on view contribution. And then it will take me to my contributions. And makikita nyo din yung amount. Tapos alam nyo yung kung alin yung na-skipan nyo ng bayad o yung employer nyo, kung ano yung mga month na naiskipan. So, pwede nyo silang habulin dyan sa mga months na yan or itanong kung bakit walang hulog, ganyan. Since ako voluntary, medyo matagal ako ulit bago nag-activate kasi nag-work from home ako. Hinatamaran ko yung pagbabayad. Kasi dati naman hindi siya ganun ka-convenient. Okay? Ngayon kasi puro online, even the payments contribution. So, this is my contribution. And then, when you scroll down, makikita nyo dito yung total number of contributions ninyo. So, ako is meron akong 210. And then, this is the total amount of contributions I have. Kung nakalagay dito is less than 36, ibig sabihin yan, hindi pa kayo pwedeng mag-apply ng SSS loan. Kung 36 and above, pwede na yan. And make sure na 6 months from time of applications pabalik is meron kayong hulog. Kapag wala, hindi rin kayo mag-qualify. Hintay kayo hanggang meron kayong 6 months. Another option kung paano nyo makikita yung SSS contributions nyo is by using itong information na nasa taas. So, kapag kinlik nyo tong member information, makikita nyo dyan my contributions. Pag click nyo dyan is lalabas din same page, lalabas yung information ng mga contributions ninyo. Okay? And if you scroll down, same information yung makikita ninyo. And that's applicable for both employed in a traditional setup, yung meron kang kumpanya, and for those people who are paying voluntarily like myself. Baka meron magtanong kung pwedeng bayaran yung mga na-miss nyong bayaran nung mga previous months. Currently kasi si SSS, tinatanggap niya yung contributions in monthly or quarterly. Kapag na-miss nyo yung older than the quarterly, na-miss nyo yung deadline na yon, unfortunately, hindi nagre-retroactive si SSS. So, ang payment nyo is moving forward na. Hindi nyo na pwedeng balikan. Kaya yung makikita nyo yung sa SSS ko, meron akong mga na-miss na payment dyan. Nag-try din ako sa online na bayaran, pero hindi na ako ina-allow. Moving forward na talaga yung ina-allow na lang ni SSS. And that's it for today's guys. So, diba, ang bilis na naman ng video ko. Thanks for watching until the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to Rocky Star. Bye-bye.